Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have been wanting to do something a little different here for a while, and this is going to allow me to do it. So what I wanted to do is do more of a single car feature. So I've been going to all these cars and coffee events, and there have been handfuls of cars that just really stick out, that are really special, and I really want to kind of highlight them on the channel. So we're going to get started with this first one, which happens to be a Subaru BRZ, but this one's packing a punch under the hood. It actually has an LS3 Corvette engine in it. Take a look at this.
It's on the stage 4 cam right now. I was saying earlier, I kind of want to, not anytime soon, maybe like a year or two, kind of want to rebuild it like a high revving LS.
Guys, I am really impressed with this little car. I mean, it's beautiful looking, actually. I like the little wide body setup that the guy has on it. But with that engine in it, it is just a little beast, but it's really cool. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.